All right, back here on Barry's Fleetwood. Said there was a radiator leak, cooling system leak rather. Well, we're definitely down on down on water for sure. And the inside of this radiator, it's partially plugged up. It's seen better days. So, gonna just fill this up and then pressure test it, find the leak, and then go from there. All right, got her filled up, topped off. Just used a little distilled water. Going to pressure test, and then we're gonna find the leak. All right, so pumped up. It actually took forever. We're at 15 psi. Gotta go searching. These hoses are pretty old, but down there on the lower. Let's see if we can get a good shot of it. It's wet. Right there. Ooh, there we are. We're seeping out. That lower hose at the clamp. That's a small leak. You can see on this radiator here, it's been leaking a while. See that corrosion? Let's see how bad we are. We have a definite leak here on the radiator. About the 5th row down. It's leaking out of the tubes. Let's see if I can find another. And of course, the temperature, this is going to leak even more. So, very wet down there in the corner as well. So definitely need a radiator. Gonna need some hoses. Oh, right. I just saw it. Right here. There's my finger. Right there. It's leaking there as well. So this baby needs a radiator. That water pump's original. But it's not seeping. I wouldn't put it behind it to start seeping though when we change everything else. Pressure, we've lost about ½ pound. All right, so I've had pressure on the system for about 5 minutes now. And you can hear, well, I can hear it. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Oh, you can see it. Look at that. Bubbling. Bubbling, bubbling, bubbling. And then you can hear it hissing. You can see it bubbling. There's a puddle forming underneath. Oh my. Is it coming down back here? Let me see. It's dripping down. Oh, we're wet down here as well. Oh, yeah, Barry. We are leaking from a few spots in this radiator. All right, so we have another leak down here. It's hard to get to. There we go. Look at that. You can see it leaking. Pissing. Into there. It's spraying across there. You can see it spraying. Yeah, this radiator is done. It's repairable. I know Gary at Bob's Radiator could repair it. Do we want to repair or replace? So let's discuss.